Welcome back to Bike Zone channel, motorcycle enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the 2025 Harley Davidson Fatboy 114. This iconic cruiser combines classic styling with modern performance, making it a must-see for anyone considering a new ride. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 Fatboy 114 is a stunning blend of tradition and innovation. Its signature solid disc wheels and wide front forks give it a bold presence on the road. The metallic finishes and chrome accents highlight Harley's craftsmanship. Available in several striking colors, this bike is sure to turn heads wherever you ride. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Fatboy 114 lies the Milwaukee 8 114 engine. This powerhouse delivers a thrilling 100 lb-ft of torque, ensuring plenty of low-end power for those long rides. The 6-speed transmission provides smooth shifting, making both city cruising and highway touring a breeze. With advanced cooling features, this engine maintains optimal performance, even on hot days. Comfort and rideability. Harley knows comfort is key, and the Fatboy 114 delivers. The seat is plush and low-slung, allowing riders to plant their feet firmly on the ground. The bike's ergonomic design provides a relaxed riding position, making it perfect for both short jaunts and extended trips. Plus, the upgraded suspension offers excellent handling, ensuring a smooth ride over varied terrain. Tech features. The 2025 model comes equipped with the latest technology. The infotainment system features a large touchscreen display with Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to stream music or use navigation effortlessly. The upgraded lighting system enhances visibility at night, ensuring you're seen and safe on the road. Customization options. Harley Davidson offers an extensive range of customization options for the Fatboy 114. From aftermarket parts to genuine accessories, riders can personalize their bikes to match their style. Whether you prefer a classic look or a more modern twist, the possibilities are endless. Final thoughts. The 2025 Harley Davidson Fatboy 114 is a striking motorcycle that marries classic design with cutting-edge performance. Whether you're a seasoned rider or new to the world of cruisers, this bike delivers on all fronts. It's not just a bike, it's a lifestyle. Outro. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this review, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think of the 2025 Fatboy 114? Until next time, ride safe. Thanks for joining Bike Zone.